Want more bookings? It all starts with great photos. I'll share the best tips for capturing your rental with the most appealing way possible. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. When it comes to vacation rental listings, photos are everything. A picture speaks 1,000 words. And the world of vacation rentals, it could be the difference between booking or a missed opportunity. Potential guests are making decisions based on those few images, so your photos need to make a first great impression. In this episode, I'll discuss why high-quality photos are crucial for attracting bookings, along with practical tips for staging and photographing your property to its fullest potential. Let's make sure your photos don't just show a place to stay. They need to tell a story of an unforgettable stay. Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today. In today's fast-paced world, people have short attention spans. When guests are scrolling through dozens of options, they will often click based on visuals alone. Your photos should immediately grab attention and convey the atmosphere and experience your property offers. But why are images so important? Simply put, travelers want to see what they're getting. The more detailed and inviting your photos are, the more comfortable potential guests will feel about booking. After all, would you book a stay at a place with just one blurry image? Or would you choose the listing with a gallery of beautiful, well-lit photos that show every angle? Good images build trust. Poor images create doubt. Now here's some tips for staging your vacation rental photos. Before you start snapping pictures, preparation is key. Staging your rental is all about making it look welcoming, clean, and appealing to the eye. Here are some essential staging tips. Declutter and clean. This should go without saying, but your space needs to look spotless. Clear away personal items. Keep surfaces clean and remove anything that feels too lived in. A messy space will turn potential guests away faster than you can say, housekeeping? Add finishing touches. Simple details like fresh flowers, a well-placed book, or folded towels can make a world of difference. You want to make the space feel cozy and inviting, like guests could picture themselves staying there. But avoid overdoing it. Too many props can make it feel cluttered or fake. Think about lighting. Natural lighting is your best friend. Whenever possible, schedule your photo shoot for a time when the rooms are flooded with sunlight. Open the curtains, turn on soft lighting, and avoid dark, shadowy areas that make your space look unwelcoming. Here's another tip. Show the little things that make your rental stand out. If you have a unique fireplace, a luxurious bathtub, or a killer view, make sure it's highlighted in the photos. Guests love those wow moments. What to photograph? Guests are looking for an overall sense of what your property has to offer. Here are a list of the key areas you should always photograph, along with a few tips for each. The exterior. Start with a wide shot of the outside of your property. Show the front and backyard if applicable. any outdoor seating and surrounding area. Guests want to know what the whole property looks like, not just the inside. The living areas. Capture the main living spaces. Focus on comfort. If you have a fireplace, comfortable seating, or a large window with a view, make those features the star of the shot. The bedrooms. The bedroom is a place of rest, so make sure it looks as inviting as possible. Plump the pillows, smooth the sheets, and add soft lighting to create a warm, cozy feel. The kitchen. Guests will likely want to know how functional and spacious the kitchen is, especially if they plan to cook. Highlight the modern appliances, clean counters, and any small touches like a coffee machine or a fruit bowl. Bathrooms. Bathrooms should always look pristine. Clear away personal items. Make sure the mirrors are spotless and focus on features like the tub or shower, modern fixtures, and fluffy towels. Outdoor spaces. If your property has outdoor amenities like a pool, garden, or deck, don't forget to show them off. Guests love knowing that they have an outdoor space to relax in during their stay. If you're still scratching your head about how to nail this whole vacation rental game, I've got something special for you. Dive deeper into our free PDF, Unpacking Your Property, the top 25 secrets to successful vacation rental properties. Trust me, it's the cheat sheet you didn't know you needed. Which room in your rental do you think photographs the best? Share your thoughts in the comments. Here are some practical photography tips. So should you take the photos yourself, or is it worth hiring a professional? Let's break it down. If you're a confident photographer and have the right equipment, think DSLR camera, tripod, and good lighting, you can definitely take the DIY route. Just keep these tips in mind. Use a wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens allows you to capture more of the space in a single shot, which is especially helpful for your smaller rooms. Shoot from the right angle. Try photographing from the corner of the room to make the space feel larger and more open. Avoid awkward angles or tilted perspectives. Don't rush. Take your time with each shot. Take multiple photos from different angles. You can always delete the extras later, but it's better to have too many options than not enough. If photography isn't your strong suit, investing in a professional photographer can be one of the best decisions you make. Professional real estate photographers know how to make spaces look their absolute best and can often edit photos to enhance the lighting or remove small imperfections. Here's your bonus tip. If you go pro, make sure you communicate your vision. Share your property's unique selling points so they know which features to focus on. Now, what about editing your photos? Once you've taken your photos, a little editing can go a long way. Simple tweaks to brightness, contrast, and sharpness can elevate your photos from good to great. There are plenty of user-friendly editing tools available online for doing it yourself, such as Canva or Adobe Lightroom. Just remember, don't overdo it. Keep your edits subtle and avoid filters that makes the space look unrealistic. You want your photos to be accurate, so guests aren't disappointed when they arrive. When it comes to vacation listings, high-quality photos are your first chance to make a great impression. Potential guests aren't just browsing for a place to stay. They're searching for the perfect experience. By staging your property well, focusing on key areas, and taking clear, well-lit photos, you can create a listing that stands out from the crowd. Now go ahead and review your listing photos. Could they use an update? If so, follow the tips from this article and watch your bookings improve. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.